Hello, everyone. Sometimes in a single moment, everything feels normal, and in the very next moment, disaster strikes. The world has witnessed natural calamities that have crushed human pride and power into dust. Earthquakes tear the ground apart, tsunamis swallow entire cities, floods wash everything away, and fire raining from the sky turns whole communities into ashes. In just seconds, millions of innocent lives are lost. Parents lose their children, families are destroyed, and once thriving cities are reduced to silent ruins. Places that were once full of life now tell only stories of screams, tears, and unimaginable destruction. In today's video, we will show you glimpses of these terrifying events, disasters that changed the course of history and shook humanity to its core.